Welcome to the Times Talk Hotline, where we turn I can't into I see it now. I'm Dana Rivers, and this is my call-in show.
Hi, Dana. I really can't learn the multiplication tables. I've tried flashcards, repetition, and saying them over and over, but they still don't stick.
What have you done so far besides flashcards and repetition?
Mostly that. I just keep drilling them, but I still freeze up when someone asks me 6 times 7 or 8 times 4.
Then you've been going about it the hard way. Rote memorization is not the best first move here. The multiplication tables are not random facts to be trapped in your head one by one. They follow patterns, logic, and structure.
So I don't have to memorize every single one?
Not at all. Instead, you need to understand the logic underneath them. Once you see the patterns, the facts become far easier to remember. The big idea is this: when you multiply two one-digit numbers and the answer has 2 digits in the product, the numeral in the tens place is almost always 1 less or 2 less than the smaller factor. That's a huge shortcut.
Really? How does that help me?
Let's test it. Take 4 times 7. The smaller factor is 4, so the answer has to start with either 3 or 2. It cannot be anything else, because 4 times 7 must be less than 40. The product has to be 30-something or 20-something, and the actual answer is indeed 28.
So the tens digit is 2, which is 2 less than 4.
Exactly. Try 8 times 6. The smaller factor is 6, so the answer has to be 50-something or 40-something. And in fact, 8 times 6 is 48. The tens digit is 4, 2 less than 6.
That makes things a lot easier. So the tables are all hiding secret patterns.
Exactly. And in the special cases where the digit in the tens place is not 1 or 2 less than the smaller factor, they still follow a simple rule. When you multiply the 5 middle digits 3, 4, 5, 6, or 7 times itself, the digit in the tens place, if there is 1, drops by exactly 3 from the factors.
So 7 times 7 is 40-something, because 3 less than 7 is 4.
Right. That's the pattern. You are not trying to brute force the products. You are learning to recognize the patterns first, so you can automatically arrive at the facts, the answers. For every problem, the answer is already narrowed down before you do anything.
So what should I do next?
Start with the logic to figure out what numeral belongs in the tens place, and then move on to the hidden patterns to identify which digit belongs in the ones place.
So I should ask myself what pattern the problem belongs to?
Exactly. As soon as you apply the corresponding pattern, you will automatically generate all the products within a given table instantaneously, in the same way you know that you can get the product of any digit times 11 simply by writing that digit twice.
This already feels less overwhelming.
Good. That's the whole point. The tables are not a pile of arbitrary numbers. They are ordered pattern systems. Once you see that, mastery becomes much easier because now the facts have a structure to hang on to.
So I should stop treating it like pure memorization and start treating it like pattern recognition.
That's exactly right. Logic should be your main focus first and foremost, and then patterns will come in afterward. Once you learn how to use these two strategies together, memorization becomes almost totally unnecessary. As soon as you see the patterns, the tables will stop being a wall and start becoming a map. Well, that concludes today's show. I hope this helped you see that the multiplication tables are not just random facts to grind through, but a system you can actually understand and use when you lean on logic, patterns, and structure.
The tables become much less intimidating and a lot more memorable.
Thanks for listening.
And bye for now.